Hi there, we still do experiments with the food. So today we'll do the fake chicken wings or chicken nuggets with the broccoli. Last time we done it with cauliflower. For sure it tastes better with cauliflower, but why not make an experiment? So we'll do the vegan style, and if your friends don't know, they will even not recognize no meat up there. So you can use a soy or rice or corn milk, whatever. If you're vegetarian, you can use eggs and normal milk, whatever. So we put a little bit of salt, a little bit sodium bicarbonate, spices or dried greens, I don't know, up to your taste. For sure put some pepper, garlic powder. You can put a little bit of chili seeds. So basically, chili will be okay. And we will put some flour. I have a really cool flour which mix oat, natural wheat, amaranth, buckwheat, like everything, and some other. So basically, we make a sauce for our broccoli. And yeah, we can use lemon or lime juice, just a little bit, something like a teaspoon, I guess, not that much. So basically it's really 100 ways from what you can make your sauce. Actually, it should be not too solid like a dough and not like a water, something in between, like a cream. Also, I want to add a little bit of sesame seeds. I just add it everywhere. Calcium, we need calcium. If you have some natural soy sauce and you're fan of the soy sauce, well, yeah, you can add a little bit as well. Or you can make another style, like put mustard powder or maybe horseradish powder or whatever. Okay, I think it's fine. So we have foil up here, so we put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Basically, I think it can cook in 5 minutes, but need time until it gets hot. So basically, I think 15 minutes, put 120 degrees Celsius, should be fine. And we'll see how it will look like. Should be alright. Really simple, really quick. Well, last time I just little bit burned it, and now I think cook little bit not enough. So let's try. It tastes good, but actually with cauliflower it tastes better and it tastes closer to the meat. But still, for the vegetarian or vegans, I think it's absolutely fine.